Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to dive with the topic that is the roadmap of machine learning. So maybe you have heard about or you have seen many videos on the roadmap to AI in 2025. I have also built that video. That is a complete roadmap actually. I have picked up the specific topic out of the AI roadmap actually. This is a one part of your AI journey, and this is the most essential part. Students know they need to learn the machine learning during the AI journey, but sometimes they got confused like from where, at a beginner level, from where should I start the machine learning, right? And from where should I, what kind of the algorithms should I do? And what kind of the projects on top of that should I do? Under what algorithm? And are the all algorithms mandatory at a beginner level or not? Do I need to focus on the only classification regression or all algorithms? So this will clear your all doubts today. Even if you are doing the graduation, you can learn these things along with your graduation. Okay. Maybe you are doing the already the degree in the AI. So you will come to know like on what models and algorithms you should focus at a deeper level and what kind of the projects you can do. This is the bonus point I'm telling you today. So stay with me till the end of the video if you really want to understand what are the essential tools to learn machine learning. Okay, and what are the steps. So let me open my whiteboard. So we can give the heading here, roadmap, roadmap of machine learning. Okay, so this is the one. So what is machine learning? If you know, you can drop a comment in the comment box, right? So this is a machine learning. How do you start your AI journey, right? You start with the Python. So why do you want to learn the Python? Why you are not directly jumping on the machine learning? Because Python is the tool you are going to write a code. Okay. So your very first step for your this one is Python. Okay. So what you should learn under the Python, you can watch my Python playlist. Okay. Python is just the tool to implement the machine learning algorithm. Okay. So you need to learn this. It will hardly take your basic data type 15 days, not more than that. Okay. And the second one is you will learn about the EDA plus data analysis. So data analysis also includes the EDA data visualization too. So you are going to focus on these four libraries of the Python. That is NumPy. So we can write down here together. Pandas. Okay. This is data used for data manipulation. This is Seaborn and Matplotlib. Many students I have seen in my career, they got confused actually. They thought I will learn the Python when they are learning the NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib. They think they are still learning the Python. No, you have reached at the next level because you have started your machine learning here. Okay, so if you have finished these two portions, this means you are done with the 30% of the machine learning journey. Okay, and the next step is, this is your first step, this is second step, and the third step, machine learning. We can call it core machine learning. Okay, core machine learning. This is core machine learning which you learn. It is divided into two parts actually. Supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. Okay. And after that, the fourth step is you will do the model evaluation. Okay. Model evaluation. Okay. So you will apply the classification, regression, your accuracy, right? Or the evaluation matrices is depend upon the kind of the problem you are going to do. Okay. Once you are done with this one, right? And after this, you will do the air deployment. That's it. This is complete machine learning lifecycle. Okay. And the roadmap. So here, this means you are done this and your these three steps. This is the last step, right? So this all portion, right? This one. So this is your 70% portion. This is called actually core machine learning, your roadmap. Okay. Now I will tell you the detail about, we will discuss these three in detail. What is the type of supervised, unsupervised machine learning and model evaluation, what you should learn, and the deployment, what tool you should learn for this one. Okay. So now come here. So first we will start with the here supervised machine learning. Okay. Model or algorithm, whatever name you use, it's the same. Okay. And what kind of the machine learning data project you should do under each model. This is most important information actually. Okay. So first of all, the basic one is linear regression. Many students don't focus on this. They thought this is the most simplest one. I will understand it, and they do this mistake actually. They forgot about it. This is the foundational and basic fundamental. Even in the interview, they will start with this algorithm, the basic fundamental. If this is not clear to you, how you can learn the next algorithm? Because from here you will start understanding the process of machine learning, how actually you are building the model. So this is the most important. Focus on this. Okay. And what kind of the project you should do under this? You can work on your first project. This is predict house sale price. Predict house. Let me house sale price. Okay. So you should focus on this. Don't take it as a simple project. At a beginner level, this is also the most important project for you. Student only think this is not going to work for my data portfolio, but it is. How? Because it contains the categorical, numerical, missing value, inconsistency, different units. So you will get a chance to standardize your data. You will get a chance to handle the inconsistency. You will get a chance to handle the missing value, and you can apply the algorithm. Keep in your mind this thing, fit in your mind this recommendation. Always start with the simple project. You don't need to keep like a deep dive with the complex. Otherwise, you are not going to learn everything, because you would get frustrated if the model is not working correctly. Your goal first should be to understand the logic, understand the process. Okay. Then second most important algorithm you should work on under the supervised, this is logistic regression. Okay. For this, you can work on the Titanic survival project. Okay. Or iris dataset. When I started switch into the data science, I worked all on these projects. Believe me, iris dataset is very powerful dataset, and Titanic too, because it contains inconsistency, lot of missing value, and you will also get a chance to use a label encoder, one hot encoder, standardize the data. So this is the most basic and the fundamental things and the mandatory skills for you to become strong in machine learning. That's why these projects are there actually, to build your strong foundation. Okay, and do this project. And the third one is your decision tree. This is little bit complex project, but don't try to jump directly. Follow the steps I'm telling you. Okay. For this, you can work on the loan default prediction. Okay. Work on this. You can watch my end-to-end machine learning project series. You will find this one. Okay. And then the fourth algorithm is random forest. This is the extension of this actually. Random forest. Okay. And in this, you can work on the project credit card fraud detection. Work on this project. Okay. So these all projects, maybe you are doing the graduation or degree or boot camp. You might have these project under that, but if not, then you can build your portfolio using all these projects and then move ahead with any more complex project. But these projects you can work on that, but do it professionally at a deeper level. Don't think this is a simple project, I will finish it quickly and then I will pick up the more complex project. This is not something interviewer is looking for. They are looking for your clarity, their professional skills, your decision making, your coding skills too, and what kind of the methodology you have used in this. Okay. And then the next one is your KNN. We also call it K nearest neighbor. Okay. This is very popular algorithm. You should do it. Okay. So this is, you can do the project in this handwritten digit classification. MNIST. Okay, just to work on this project. All right. And on top of that, I will say here, these are the, maybe might be you are thinking, Nija, do we need to do the mastery in all these algorithms? No. Whenever you start, you are actually learning the core machine learning. You should go through one by one all from all these like the algorithm. This is the goal first. Okay, this is your first step. Which algorithm you like the most? Pick up any algorithm. Let's say you like the regression, right? Out of the regression, you like the random forest very much. You love it. You have already done the one project here. Then pick up the little bit complex project from this. Pick up the intermediate level data set and then apply the same algorithm on that. Get mastery in this algorithm. Okay. This is the way how you will get expert. You don't need to be expert in all algorithms. Right now, I am talking about like you should have the basic knowledge of all these algorithms. Okay. So this is your first project. This is second. This is third, fourth, and fifth. Okay. Now we will move ahead. The next algorithm, that is your SVM. We also call it sport vector machine. Okay. So for this, just to do the one project, that is your email spam classification. Okay. Do this project. You know, out of all these projects, you will learn something new. Okay. And this is going to be build your strong foundation. The next one is your XGBoost. This is very popular algorithm. Actually, this is used in your real time many times. Okay. Even if you want to do the mastery in this algorithm, you can move ahead. But do step by step. You can build the machine learning project under this customer churn prediction. Okay, so this is very popular. And then the eighth is your naive Bayes. Okay, so for this, you can work on the project SMS spam detection. Okay, so this was the all about your supervised machine learning. Okay, so let me just give me 1 second. Sorry about it. And we will remove this. Okay. Now we will talk about unsupervised. Machine learning model or algorithm. And what machine learning data projects you should do. Okay. So the first project under this is K means clustering. You should do this project. Oh, sorry, model. Okay. The first one, it comes under your unsupervised machine learning. So the what kind of the project you should do? Customer segmentation. For e-commerce. Okay. And the second one, you should go with the hierarchical clustering. Okay. So what kind of the project you should do for this? Grouping students by learning behavior. Okay, you can complete this project. And after that, you definitely learn about PCA. This is a very popular. We also call it principal component. Principal component algorithm. You are going to learn the most important part here using applying this, how to reduce the high dimensional into low dimensional, 3D dimensionality into 2D or 1D. Okay, so this is the most important. Many interview question come on this. So you should do the project here, image data set. Reduce the dimensionality on image data set. Okay. The next one is again important, DB scan. Okay. Under this, you can do the project anomaly detection in IoT sensor data. Okay. So these were the all projects you can do. Now you can see you got a 4 projects under the supervised and 8 is this. You already have the basic one and real-time examples, your projects, which comes for supervised, unsupervised, along with, I have already mentioned for what kind of the algorithm you can use, what kind of the data set. They on based on what I have used this, because these data sets contain the problems according to the which for what the algorithm is built for. Okay, so you should focus on these one. After that, you can pick up the complex one, whatever you like, but this will help you to understand the process of each algorithm. Okay, now the next part, which is you should do That is your model evaluation. Okay. So this means it is divided with your like the matrices. Once you build the model, you need to evaluate it, right? You will check the performance of the model, you check the accuracy of the model. So basically, here are the evaluation matrices we use for regression and classification. Okay, so this is divided into two parts. For this MAE, okay, this is mean absolute error. I did not make a detailed video on this, but definitely I will make mean absolute error, MSCE, mean square root error. Okay, mean square root error. Okay, so these are the your most popular evaluation matrices when you are applying the regression models. So what are the regression model? Linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest. These all are a regression model. Okay. Apart from this, you have a RMSE too. Okay. We call it root mean square. Root mean square evaluation. Okay. So you can work on these. Okay. You can drop a comment first because I have already made the videos on the end-to-end machine learning project of the your loan default prediction and customer churn prediction. If you want me to first build up the project video, just drop a comment, or either you want to see the model evaluation video first. That would help me to build the video, which video you want to like first. Okay. In the classification, you will use the accuracy. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. The first one is accuracy. The second one is your confusion matrix, very popular. This is I have explained actually end-to-end project. You will find these, okay? Precision, very popular. Recall, okay? Awk rock. And the sixth is F1 score. So I have told you the each and every like the evaluation methods too. So you should focus on all these. I'm not saying you need to focus on one, all. This is mandatory actually. You can't survive in AI without this. If you are going to learn the core machine learning, this is a part of your process. Okay. And then the what will be the next step after evaluation? The time is for the deployment. For deployment, it's very easy. Once you are sure your model is performing good on the test, then you can learn this tool. Number one, either you can learn any cloud platform for deployment like Azure, AWS, sorry, okay, or maybe you can use the Google Cloud, right? Google one. And if you want, you can also use the Streamlit. This is one of my favorite. Streamlit. Flask. Flask is a Python framework. Okay. You can also use the Django too. This is additional, but you should learn one of these. Okay. And you don't need to be master all in this. You can pick up anyone. This is your choice. I'm not saying you just do the mastery in all, but you should pick up one. You can also at initial level just go with Streamlit, Flask. Okay. And then slowly start learning the Azure or maybe the cloud. Google Cloud. Okay, how to deploy the your what we call model here. Okay, now this is the just like about your all machine. Oh, sorry, machine learning. Your roadmap. Okay, and if you have any question regarding it, and if you are looking for the making a video for on a specific one, just let me know, drop a comment. Okay. And one more bonus tip at the end, I would definitely would like to share. At a beginner level, you don't need to think about this, what I'm going to share with you right now. You can do it later on once you get masters in the portion what I have already shared with you. Okay. The third machine learning is your reinforcement actually. Don't try to jump at a beginner level on this. Okay. So for this, you need to learn about the first algorithm, that is Q learning. Okay. So for this you should do the project maze solver bot. Okay. This is very advanced level. Okay. And then second, you can use the deep model, deep Q network. Okay. So for this, you can work on the cardpole game using the open AI gym, or maybe you can pick up the any other project too. Okay. And the next one is your policy gradient. This is the advanced algorithms, all are. Okay. So this is the self-learning Pong player. You can work on this project. Okay. The next one, you should work on SARSA. So you can work on the project tic-tac-toe game. Okay. So this is your machine learning project, and this is the model. But this is for the advanced actually. You don't need to focus on it at the initial level, but this is just for your knowledge. Okay. Now, this was the all about machine learning roadmap, okay, and journey. Now you have the full knowledge about what kind of the project you should do for what algorithm. Again, I'm saying you don't need to be master in all algorithms. First, just fit in your mind one thing. Your goal is to understand the process of all algorithm. And if you follow the same structure I have shared with you, it is very, very like a beneficial for you. Don't try to jump here and there. Okay. And don't be rush. Okay. Do it slowly, but do all those projects what I have told you. Even you do a one project, if you are doing the graduation, you can do one project in a 2 months. It's not a big deal. Okay. And if you want me to make a video first about the matrices, just let me know, or you want me to build the more videos on the supervised machine learning projects. I have already made the two videos, loan default prediction and customer churn, in a detail already. I will keep uploading the more videos too, but just I need your feedback too. So, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and keep learning, keep patience with science, data science. See you in the next video, and good luck to become for the preparation of your AI journey.